Are you looking to customize your flight search experience on the Momondo app by excluding specific airlines from your results? This feature is particularly useful if you prefer to avoid certain carriers due to personal preferences or past experiences. First, open the Momondo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, navigate to the Preferences section within the Settings menu. After that, select Airlines to access the list of airlines available for filtering. In the search bar, enter the name of the airline you wish to exclude from your search results. Finally, tap on the airline's name from the search results to add it to your exclusion list. Once added, flights operated by this airline will no longer appear in your search results, streamlining your flight selection process. By following these steps, you can personalize your flight search on the Momondo app to exclude specific airlines, ensuring a more tailored and efficient travel planning experience.